Come test drive the 2012 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound, CD player, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.